how to set the screensaver to photo table on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on display. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on screensaver. Now in here, tap on photo table and then tap on the settings icon on the right hand side. In here, you can choose the photo albums to include in the photo table. So here I have include my holidays, IT jungles, garden, and pictures. Or you can select all and then tap on the back key. Now, if you go down to the bottom, you can tap on the preview button and that will turn on the preview. And this is what your screensaver will look like when you choose photo table. So on the screensavers, you can move pictures around. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.